Hey there, and welcome back to another episode with Urban Gardening Canada. My name is Bree, and I garden in Zone 5 in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. Today I wanted to give you a honest review about the Easy Digger. This is a tool that I got from West Coast Seeds, and I always want to try out some new tools and figure out if anything's easier. To be honest, I generally garden with my hands and I don't actually really use any tools at all. I prefer to just use my hands for everything. I don't even really wear garden gloves unless I absolutely have to. So when I'm digging, unless I'm digging in hard soil for bulbs or anything that's more compact, if I'm digging in my vegetable garden, I'm usually just creating holes with my hands because I'm lazy with trying to find my tools, and I'm also really bad at maintaining them. I keep them out in the garden. This spring I found a pair of scissors on the lawn when the snow melted, so I'm just really bad with tools. But I wanted to give this a try. And so I've done a half decent job of taking care of it. It has a wood bottom on here, and then it has like a forged steel type of metal on here. And then it has this like crooked type of handle on it with a point on here. And so the whole purpose, I'll show you exactly how to use it, but the whole purpose is you put it in the ground and then pull it forward like a trowel. And this is easily, compared to one of those little fork things or the little hand digging shovels, see my terminology, how much I use tools, compared to your basic tools that you get from any type of gardening center or store, this thing is like the king for me. It's amazing. It's so easy to use, and it has some special things that I didn't realize about it that I'll show you. So when you dig it in the ground, you pull it back, you pull the soil back, and then you can just rest the handle on the ground and it holds the soil back. So that way, as you're trying to bury your plants, the soil isn't falling back into the hole again. And I absolutely just love that. And so the other thing that I love about it, it's really affordable. Like, it's not very expensive at all. At the time that I'm making this review for you, it really isn't that expensive. And it seems to be made in Korea, if that makes any difference for you. And I'm going to show you now how to use it and why I love it so much. Okay, so I am going to plant a jalapeno right over here. I had one planted there, but a cutworm took it down, so I have my replacement plant here, and I'm going to use the Easy Digger and show you literally how easy it is. I'm going to put it where I want to dig, and all you do is you pull the soil away. And so it's a little bit harder because I have some plants over here, but as you can see, it pulls it away nicely. And so because you're pulling towards yourself, it's easier to move the soil. And then the thing that I love the best about it is when I'm done with how much soil I want to pull, I actually just set it down right here, and it holds back all of the soil for me. So that way it doesn't end up just going right back into the hole that I was digging. And then I just stick my plant in here. And so I am planting it a little deeper, but because it is part of the nightshade family, it doesn't make any difference. And then it acts like a plow as well, and you can just push the soil back into place. You can just drag it around like a rake, and then you just push it back in. And then if you wanted to, you could actually just push it down like this, which I love. That's really neat to be able to do that. But otherwise, like I said, I like to use my hands, and so you can just push it into place. And then I like to clean up the soil a little bit so that nobody got buried in the meantime. And that's it. That's how simple this tool is. I absolutely adore it. You saw how easy Digger, how easy it is and how fast it was to use it. Hands down, probably one of the best tools I've ever spent my money on. One item that I do want to note is that I did just buy this, and so I've only been using it for about a month now, so I don't know how long it holds up overall, but for the last month, it has definitely been my favorite tool. If you enjoyed this review, I have a couple other reviews on my channel. I have one on a Hori Hori knife from Sproutbox Garden and another one on the metal raised beds from Sproutbox Garden, and I'm hoping to put out more reviews in the future. So if you did enjoy this video and enjoy seeing these product reviews, let me know in the comments below that you're enjoying these reviews. And in the meantime, if you wanted to go check out those other videos, I will link them below and I will put it up here as well. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that way you get notified of any future videos that we're putting out, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!